Now we shall start, okay? Alright. So first of all, I've taken this A4 size sheet. If you have any smaller size or bigger size, it will do. Small border. Size border you can make. I'm making about half a centimeter border. Only around the sides of the whole paper.
Okay.
So we are having these two colors. See, this is yellow and this is pink. Great. And now I'm going to take a broad brush about of size 2. Okay. So I'm taking this broad brush of about the size of 2. Brush I'm using, it is about 5 number brush. So you can use a bigger brush also, because we have to cover the whole area, so that is why we are using the bigger brush. Okay. Thank you, Piggy Ride, for muting everyone. Okay. Yeah, you can use yellow and red. You can use any combination. If you do not have pink, you can use red or orange. And if you do not have yellow, then you can use white. Alright, so let's move forward. So first I'm taking this pink color. And I'm going to apply this pink in the half of my sheet. Okay. So see, I'm also having this cloth to wipe off my excess paint or anything. Alright. So just dip your brush into the water and take some color and start to paint. Okay. So I see so many dones. So we can start with the yellow part. So now I'm taking this yellow color. Okay. So now what I've done is I've mixed some yellow with some pink, and whatever the color has come, I'm doing it over here on this part, only on the border part, just to make it a bit blended. Nothing else. Okay, so we are done with the background. Although 90% of the background will be covered up while we do the painting, but whatever the 10% will be visible, it is very important that it is presentable. So that is why we are doing some extra work on the background. Okay. So once done with your background, just hold your earbuds nicely together and tie it up tightly with a rubber band. Okay. So I will wait for about 3 to 4 minutes for all of you to do finish your background and to tie up your earbuds. So for buds, we need two colors. So either you can choose from these three colors, which is your dark blue, your lighter blue, or your purple color. And for the second color, you can choose between these two, white or your skin color. Okay. So that will do. So any two colors you have to take. Any one color from these three or any one color from these two. So what I am doing is I am taking this color or this color, whatever, or this color or this color. So I am taking this cap only. So I am taking out some blue color in this cap. And similarly, I am doing the same with the white. Yes, Ayush, you can use the palette. Okay. So I'm doing the same with the white. I'm just putting some white color on this second cap. And I put aside these two. Now my cotton buds. So see very carefully what I'm doing. First I'm taking these cotton buds, the bundle. I'm dipping it into the water. And then after dipping it, I'm thoroughly absorbing all the excess water from my earbuds. Okay. So in this way, my earbuds will not absorb too much of paint. Okay. So just very thoroughly, I am pressing my earbuds nicely and absorbing all the extra water. Okay. So now my earbuds are all wet and damp. And now we can start the painting. So first I will dip it into the blue part. I'm dipping it into the blue part nicely. And first I'm going to make a bunch of flower over here. See what pattern I'm making? I'm going for the circle. You see how it is looking? So similarly, I will create some more of these round shapes. So these are actually bunch of flowers. So after we do all the bunches, we will make some stems connecting them. Okay. So if one I have made over here, another one I'll make over here. So again, I'm doing the same, taking my buds, making nice round shape with the help of my buds, taking some white as well. A little touch with dark blue is very important, I feel, because it is giving some light and dark effect. See? It instantly pops up. So now I'm making some more over here, here and here. Okay. So I am done with the bud painting part, and only these flowers are to be connected by stem. So again, we're gonna wait for about 2 to 3 minutes for all of you to catch up. Yes, you can do flowers wherever you want. There's no hard rule that you have to make it over here only. Yes, Sachi, beautiful bookmarks. So the last set of colors that I'm taking is my green color, and I'm taking this very small brush. Okay, this is 0 number brush. You can also take 1 number or 0 number, whatever you feel comfortable with. Or you can use sketch pens. If you want precision and if you want very nice detailed lines, then you can use sketch pens. It is the best option that you can use. Okay. So now I'm going to attach my flowers like this with a stem. I'm so sorry, there is some construction work going on over here, so there is a lot of noise. So I'm just making this kind of leaflet, you can say. So I'll just show you what I have in mind with this. So I will take only one earbud and orange color maybe, or red color. Red color will do good. And I will make some cherry like small buds of flowers, maybe of fruit, whatever you can say. I'm making that. And now the painting is completed for me. And now I can just check it out what you guys are making. Yeah, so watercolor paint. Guys, I have a very good pressure. I have a watercolor and acrylic color painting class. So if you liked how I explained and the way I taught you, you can join the course. It will be very fun. We have so many kids over there also. So it's a very fun session. You will learn all about the colors. If you're joining watercolor painting class, then you learn about all things about watercolors, how to use it, how to hold the brush, how to paint something with watercolors correctly, how to use water, uh, how to give different techniques with water and everything regarding watercolors mainly. And if you join acrylic color painting class, you will learn about acrylic colors because both the mediums are very different from each other. Okay, so the people who were asking about the course, just let me show you what kind of paintings. So these are the kind of paintings that you will learn in the course. So these are the paintings that I've taught in my course of watercolor. Okay, And these are the paintings that I've taught in my acrylic color painting class. So, watercolor painting class painting. And this is from acrylic colors. So you can see the difference for yourself. And if you are interested, you can contact the Piggy Ride team. And I suppose we all are done over here. And just let me once check the chat option. Okay. So if we are done, you can leave the chat off. Like you can leave the class. We are done with the painting. I hope you all enjoyed. You can show me a thumbs up on the screen if you all enjoyed the painting today. Great. Did I bore you? Alright, so I'm also leaving the class. We are done over here and I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you stay safe and please be safe, okay? Bye. Have a great day. Take care.